What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. Step 13. Okay, this is the Beauty Bay Bright Matte. It is the answer to all of your prayers for the people who don't want to support that one influencer that we're all using his palette. This is the answer. I love it. It's full coverage, cruelty-free and vegan. That's amazing, okay? First of all, I love this palette because you can do red, green, blue, purple. You can use these shades for blushes, almost giving contour bronzer vibes. It also has this huge mirror on it, which is incredible if you have to get ready backstage. A lot of drag gigs, or burlesque for that matter. You're getting ready in non-union standard dressing area facilities, and this is your buddy if you need to do a little mug check or perhaps do your entire face backstage. Check it out. Now I'm gonna take the shade White Lies. We're setting that Ben Nye with our white pigment because everything that goes on as a cream must be set with a powder unless stated otherwise. When I think of drag, I think blue eyeshadow, honey. Let's go all the way. Using a mixture of Pacific Dreams and bobbing along and starting at the high point of the eye. We're gonna start it there and we're gonna pull it out and using that brow as a reference. We wanna exaggerate our features and lift the face without a face lift. We need to go in with a darker blue. So I'm gonna use a combination of bobbing along and Stormy Night. Gorgeous navy blue, very high fashion. Taking that, we're gonna go at the corners of our eyes and we're gonna connect. So I encourage everyone watching this to take these techniques of like finding the high point of your eye, finding the corner of it and going upward, using this brow as a reference point. See what works on your face with your proportions. Some things might need to be longer, some things might need to be higher. Everyone has this amazing, glamorous version of their own face, and not everyone taps into it. So this is my challenge to you. Using these techniques, I want to see your most glamorous face and see if there's any family resemblance.